Phase of Assam Flood 2026, a major geographical and environment current affairs. The first major wave was intensifying by 25th June 2026, which continued through July into August. What happened? Assam is experiencing severe monsoon flooding, with the Brahmaputra and its tributaries playing a role in the inundation of low-lying areas. Major causes of the Assam flood: heavy monsoon rainfall. The primary immediate trigger is intense and persistent monsoon rainfall. Large quantities of water enter the Brahmaputra and its tributaries, causing river levels to rise. Brahmaputra river system. The Brahmaputra has a huge drainage basin and carries enormous quantities of water and sediment. Its tributaries, including rivers flowing down from the eastern Himalayas, can rapidly increase the discharge entering the main river. Sedimentation. The Brahmaputra carries a large sediment load. Deposition can reduce the effective carrying capacity of the channels and contribute to flooding in particular reaches. Riverbank erosion. Strong river currents continuously erode the banks. Flooding and erosion leads to the double hazard. People may lose both agricultural land and houses located near the river channel. Low-lying floodplain. Large parts of Assam lie within the Brahmaputra floodplain. Naturally, these areas are vulnerable to inundation when river levels rise. Deforestation, catchment degradation. Loss of vegetation in parts of the catchment can increase surface runoff and soil erosion. However, it should be regarding one contributing factor rather than the single cause of the 2026 flood. Landslides and mountain runoff. Heavy rainfall in the surrounding Himalayan and hill regions can generate rapid runoff and landslide, increasing downstream water and sediment loads. Economic loss. The economic impact includes crop loss, house damage, infrastructure repair, livestock loss, disruption of transport and employment. How will flood stop? A flood cannot be simply switched off. It will gradually recede when the water input becomes lower than the amount of water flowing out of the flooded area. The situation should improve when monsoon rainfall decreases, river discharge falls, Brahmaputra and tributary water levels falls, flood water drains into river channels, inundated land dries, normal activities gradually resume. Immediate government response. The most important short-term measures are rescue people from severely flood areas, operate relief camps, provide food and drinking water, provide medical assistance, restore roads and communication, repair damaged embankments, monitor river levels, conduct detailed damage assessment, provide compensation and rehabilitation, restore agricultural livelihoods. Long-term solution. Assam needs a combination of structural and ecological flood management. Structural measures: strengthening embankments, improving drainage, constructing, maintaining flood shelters, improving bridges and roads, strategic river management work, better flood forecasting system, ecological measures, afforestation in vulnerable catchments, wetland conservation, protection of natural drainage channels, soil and watershed conservation, the riverbank vegetation, planning measures, flooding, zoning, avoiding unsafe construction in high-risk areas. Early warning systems, community-based disaster preparedness, climatic resilient infrastructure. Geographical significance. The Assam Flood 2026 is an excellent case study. Geomorphology, river erosion, deposition, channel migration and floodplain formation. Climatology, monsoon rainfall and extreme precipitation, river discharge, drainage basin and runoff. Human geography, settlement vulnerability and displacement. Environmental geography, deforestation, wetlands and ecosystem impact. Disaster management, early warning, evacuation, relief and rehabilitation.